Oh, what is that? Oh, it's mushroom. Oh, what's the other one? Oh, I think it is like some cucumber or garlic or wow, but there are many kinds of mushrooms here. I want to buy this. I want to buy that. Wow, that's what the woman or the girl in the picture said. Okay, students, welcome to another expressions by situations. And today we're going to have the video number 4 for this series. Okay? Now let's study together. Let's go. Let's read first. What time does it begin? One more time. What time does it begin? Very good. Now, if this is the question, students, we can answer what? It begins. It begins at, usually at because it's a time, right? It begins at 7 o'clock, for example. Or what else? It begins at noon. At noon is what? 12 p.m. Got it, students? Very good. So if somebody asks you what time? Your answer should be it is blah, blah, blah. Usually the verb, okay? Now I'll give you another question for this one. What time do you go to bed? If this is the question, now how can you answer this one? As I said, you have to use I plus what? Because the question is you. So the answer is I plus verb. I go to bed. What time? At 10 o'clock. Or what else? I go to bed at midnight. Guys, what is midnight? 12 a.m. Understood? Noon is what? Noon is 12 p.m. or midnight is 12 a.m. Understood? You have to remember this one, students. Good job. Now let's go. Another expression. What time shall we make it? Or what time shall we make it? It means what time shall we meet? It's the same, students. What time shall we meet? Very good. Now, if this is the question, how can you answer? You can say, we can meet at, remember, at 5 p.m., for example. Or, we can make it at, remember, because the verb here is make it. So, we can make it at what time? 5 p.m., for example. Don't forget these ones. Next. When will it be convenient for you? When will it be convenient for you? If somebody asks you, when will it be convenient? What is convenient? This one. When will it be convenient for you? You can say what? How about Monday? How about Monday at 12 noon, for example? It's possible. Or you could also say, I am free on when? On Saturday. I am free on Saturday at 3 p.m. Wow, our sentences are getting harder and harder, students. So you have to study, okay? So if this is the question, when will it be convenient for you? You can say what? How about Monday at 12 noon? Or, I am free on Saturday at 3 p.m. Don't forget these questions, okay? Now, let's go for this. Prepositions, or this one. First is over. What is over? This one. Over. Let's go. There is a bridge over the river. One more time. There is a bridge over the river. Don't forget. Let's make another example for over. You can say what? The bird is flying. Flying what? Oh, you should use is. Flying over the tree. Do you understand, students? The bird, what is bird? Right, flying over the tree. Understood? So it is above the tree. Let's go for under. Under is what? Very good. Now let's read the example. The cat is sleeping under the table. One more time. The cat is sleeping under the table. Very good. Or let's make another example. My bag is where? Under the desk. Understood? It's very easy, right? Oh, what happened here? Desk. Good. My bag is under the desk. Don't forget this one, under. Next, let's go for in front of. In front of means this one. For example, he is in front of the store. One more time. He is in front of the store. Okay. For example, you could also say the bus stops where? In front of my house. One more time. The bus stops in front of my house. In front of. Good job. Next. Behind. What is behind? This one. Very good. Let's read. The cat is hiding behind the sofa. Behind. At the back. The cat is hiding behind the sofa. Very good. Or let's have another example. What is the example? The house is behind the what? Behind the market. Got it? So the house is where? Behind the market. So after the market, you can see the house. Do you understand, students? Good. Now let's go for by. Next to. Beside. They're just the same, students. So you can use anything. For example, he is sitting by her. He is sitting by her. Or, look at this. You could also say he is sitting next to her. Or he is sitting beside her. They're just the same, students. Got it? They're just all the same. Okay, let's make our example. What is it now? Another example, students, for behind next to. For example, my dog loves to sleep next to me. What does it mean? My dog loves to sleep. He wants to sleep where? Next to me or beside me. Understood? Very good. Now let's go for the next one. Around. Round. What does it mean? Very good. For example, they sat around the table. One more time. They sat around the table. Around the table. What else? Let's make another example for around. Let's walk around the park. Around the park. Understood? What is it again? Let's walk around the park. Around the park. Very good. Don't forget, try to make your own example. Next, between. Between is what? Very good. Usually, 둘 사이. Here, this is the difference. When you say among, it is this one. But when you have between, it's only two. Got it? Now let's make an example for between, students. He is sitting between the two girls. So there are only two girls. Got it? Or, for example, the house is between the two trees. Got it? Very good. So the house is between the two trees. However, we have among. Among is what? Very good. There are three or more. For example, some birds are singing among the trees. Among the trees, there are many trees. Got it? Very good. Look at this. So, what about making an example, students? The boy danced among the students. So guys, there are many students, but the boy danced in front of them or among them. Do you understand? Very good. So the students, how many students are there? 2? No. How many? 3? Maybe, or more. Got it? Good job. Now, so this is the end of our part 4 series. So let's see you again next time, students, for our next expressions by situations. Bye.